DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus. Phantom 4 Pro includes built-in screen. Quadcopter. This kit includes 1 DJI Phantom 4 Pro quadcopter drone, 1 DJI baseball cap. Color may vary. 1 remote controller for Phantom 4 Pro quadcopter with 1080p built-in monitor display. 4945 OS quick release propeller pair. Each pair includes 1 clockwise and 1 counterclockwise turning propeller. 1 DJI hard carrying case. 1 high capacity 5870 mAh intelligent flight battery. 1 set of propeller guards. 1 to 100 W power adapter for Phantom 4 quadcopter. 1 to 100 W AC adapter cable. 1 gimbal clamp. 1 USB OTG cable. 1 micro USB cable. 1 high-speed 64 GB MicroSD memory card. 1 high-speed 16 GB MicroSD memory card. 1 Phantom 4 Pro antenna boosters, range extenders. 1 Hardshell backpack for Phantom 4. 1 eDigitalUSA stylus pen. 1 eDigitalUSA cleaning kit. 1 eDigitalUSA microfiber cleaning cloth. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.